due to some or the other reasons, you applied for scholarships and unfortunately you were not able to make it through. Then third mode is funding your education with education loan. So all the major nationalized private banks and NBFCs offer you education loan. Some of the top names are SBI, ICICI, HDFC, Credila, Avance, Tata Capital. SBI, for instance, has started giving loan up to 1.5 crores. Initially, they used to give only 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, but now under SBI Global Advantage, they are giving loans up to 1.5 crores, provided you are a deserving candidate. But there is a problem. There is one challenge basically. If you are funding your education with this nationalized private banks or NBFCs, they will ask you to submit a collateral if in case your loan is more than 20 lakhs. They will ask you to either put property papers or gold or any of the assets so that they can sanction loan against it. So this is a challenge. Now, let's say there is a student who is very meritorious. He's supreme talented, but he does not have any assets. He does not have any funds. Now he wishes to go for, let's say, top universities like London Business School, Chicago Booth, any of the top schools. Now what he should do? There is a very good option for them that we are going to discuss in the next slide under the topic funding your education without collaterals. There are two prominent companies. One is Prodigy Finance. The other is called Empower Financing. So Prodigy Finance, if you are a very talented candidate and if you have secured admit into a top school, Prodigy Finance will sponsor your entire education along with your living expense without taking any collateral. If you want to pursue UG or MBA in America, it may cost up to 1.3, 1.4 crores. And the average package that you get is around 1.5 crores. Now, if a meritorious student wants to apply for an MBA or a UG, it will be very difficult for him to arrange 1.5 crores or 1 crores. In this case, the person can go to Prodigy Finance. They will sponsor you for your entire education along with your living expense without any cosigner, without any collateral. And the best part is repayment terms is 7 to 20 years. So you can easily do it. And in America, let's say America or UK or Germany, if you do an MBA from a top school, the average pay package is around 50, 55 lakhs. If you are an average student, if you are a good student, it may go up to 80 lakhs to 1 crore. And repayment terms are comparatively easier for you then. The rate of interest is not more than 10%. They are covering 750 schools in 18 different countries. So this is a fantastic option. Similarly, Empower Financing, this company finances all the students who get admitted into US and Canada, same terms and conditions as that of Prodigy Finance. Okay, so this is, you can say, very strong tool for those aspiring candidates who is India's next Sundar Pichai or who is India's next Arnab Goswami or who is India's next Raghuram Rajan, who has that capability, who can crack top schools. They have a very good option and they need not worry about the funds. It will never be a barrier. Get an admit, contact this agencies, organization, you are going to get that solution. So I hope this information you have got, and I think you can go through this website, prodigyfinance.com, for details. A lot of informations are there, a lot of schools and their requirements, everything is mentioned. Same with Empower Financing as well. You can go through this website and I can assure you it's going to be a great breather for you.